River. Scary stuff right there. That river expected to reach historic levels in the coming days due to that massive flooding. Right now, you're actually looking at drone video from the Yell County Sheriff's Office of what the river looks like in Dardanelle. Good evening, and thanks so much for watching your News at 10. I'm Hillary Hunt. Let's talk about right here in central Arkansas. People along the Arkansas River in northern Pulaski County in protection mode tonight as they prepare for that river to rise. These are the affected areas underway on County Farm Road near Two Rivers Park, a popular place. KRK4's Mitch McCoy near the Arkansas River tonight to show us just how quickly that water's rising.
Yeah, Hillary, good evening. We were notified late tonight that the city of Little Rock will be shutting down Rebsamen Park Road first thing Monday morning. So all the way at the roundabout to about the Big Dam Bridge, Rebsamen Park will be shut down. Access will be cut off to Rebsamen Park, Murray Park, things like that, because they're concerned about this rising water tonight having an impact on traffic. This is a lot of water, and this is all what folks are preparing for upstream tonight. Residents in northern Pulaski County are building levees around their homes and putting up water gates. If you asked Rodney Bailey 1 week ago what he'd be doing today,
when we started to see the projections,
this would be the last thing on his list. On Sunday, Rodney is installing a water gate he just purchased online to protect his home from the rising Arkansas River.
And as it fills up with water, this will expand. These baffles will open up as the water flows in.
These photos shared by the Pulaski County Sheriff's Office show what other neighbors are doing to shield the water. Back at Rodney's house, he says his home flooded in 2016. Back then, the river flooded to 24.93 feet. That's about 2 feet below what's being predicted in Little Rock come June 3rd. On a scale of 1 to 10, how concerned are you? 10 being the absolute, this is going to be catastrophic.
I'd say about an 8.
As Rodney rolls out his plan to keep the water out, he prays the inside of his home stays dry.
When we eventually have to leave, we're hoping that we can leave knowing that the home will be protected.
It's worth noting that many of the homes that could be impacted up in northern Pulaski County are built to sustain a 100-year flood plan. So many of the lower levels of those homes actually are just storage for some of these residents. We're in Little Rock tonight. Mitch McCoy, KRK4 News.
Thank you.